Meaning of elsewhere.
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 Elsewhere. Elsewhere means in another place or somewhere else. It is used to refer to a location other than the one being mentioned or currently under discussion. For example, if someone asks about where a particular store is located and you do not know, you could say that the store is located elsewhere. The term elsewhere implies a sense of ambiguity and lack of specifics, leaving the location open to interpretation or unknown. In short, elsewhere describes a place different from the current context or reference point.